Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. My name is Steve. This is Wilmer Woodworks. I appreciate you tuning in. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of MicroJig's MatchFit Dovetail Pro clamping system. I was fortunate enough to pick this up off of Amazon on a Black Friday deal. It came with the main kit and then this additional routing bit. And what I've done is I've made some room over here for the wall panels. So I'm very excited about cleaning this up with the new year coming. I'll get in the shop and really be able to square these things away with a new series on shop organization. Okay, so this is just a 1/2-inch shank router bit, and this is designed to take away a majority of the material. So it's just a relief cut, and then you would go back with your dovetail bit after. So, I mean, it's a large box, small package, but it should be a very good way for me to make some storage. I do have the slat wall that I want to expand on, but I just don't want to buy those T-tracks, and you can make a ton of jigs and whatnot. So let's just get right into this. I did want to get some more of these fixtures, but actually also what I want to try to do is 3D print some of those. So this is the dovetail router bit that you would need, and this is their setup jig, so you can make sure that all of your legs, your cuts are the correct depth, and I'll just have to read through this to figure out how to do that, and I'll be sure to cover that in another video. So in this kit I have 2 clamps. They also make spring clamps that I'm curious about trying. 2 bits, the setup gig, the instructions, and the various little connectors here. Alright, so we got some washers, some bushings, some screws, and some knobs. I wonder if these will fit in my slat wall. Oh yeah, they fit in my slat wall very nicely. Currently on my slat wall I use these 1/4 bolts. I'm not sure what this thread is, but we can easily find that out. Take one of these to Home Depot or Lowe's and see what that is. It's a much lighter bolt. But yeah, that's where we're at. And I look forward to using this kit.